Today's lesson consists of three parts. First one, how to make invitations. Part 2, how to accept invitations. Part 3, how to decline invitations in English. So let's see one by one. Part 1, how to make invitations. Let's start with the most common structure, which is would you like to? Would you like to plus V1 form of verb. This is very polite. Let's see some examples. Would you like to join us for dinner? Would you like to come to my birthday party? Would you like to attend our meeting tomorrow? Would you like to have some coffee? This is formal and polite. You can use it with teachers, elders, colleagues. Second way, do you want to? Do you want to plus V1 form of verb, which is informal. Let's see some example sentences. Do you want to watch a movie? Do you want to come with us? This is casual. Use it with friends. Next type, shall we? Shall we plus V1 form of verb. This is for suggestions plus invitation. Shall we go out? Shall we meet tomorrow? Shall we start now? Use when both people are involved. Or இதை இன்வைட் பண்ணுபவரும் சேர்ந்து செய்வதாக இருந்தால் நீங்கள் shall we என்ற ஃபார்மேட்டில் பேசணும். Shall we go out? வெளியே போவோமா? Okay, next one. How about? What about? How about plus ing form of verb. Examples. How about going to the beach? What about meeting this weekend? Okay, so these are the ways of inviting people. Next, part 2, let's see how to accept invitations. And the invitations எப்படி நாங்கள் ஏற்றுக்கொள்வது. When someone invites you, you should respond politely. Let's see some simple accepting responses. Yes, I'd love to. That sounds great. Sure, I'd be happy to. Of course. That would be wonderful. I'd love to join you. Let's see a small example conversation. Would you like to come to my party? Yes, I'd love to. Thank you. Let's move on to part 3. How to decline an invitation. How to say no politely. But never say just no. It sounds rude. Always be polite. எப்பொழுதும் நீங்கள் எடுத்த எடுப்பிலேயே no என்று சொல்வது not polite. Now let's see some polite ways to refuse. I'm sorry, I can't. I'd love to, but I have another plan. I'm afraid I won't be able to come. Maybe next time. Thank you for inviting me, but I can't make it. Now let's see an example conversation. Would you like to join us for dinner? I'd love to, but I already have plans. Maybe next time. So, first you have to show appreciation. எப்படி? I'd love to. Next, you have to give a reason. But I already have plans. Finally, end politely. Maybe next time. Now, this is the formula of politely declining an invitation. 3 steps. First one, thank the person. உங்களை இன்வைட் பண்ணியவரை முதல்ல நீங்கள் தேங்க்ஸ் பண்ணணும். Second, say sorry. Third, give a reason. For example, thank you for inviting me. I'm really sorry, but I have an important meeting. Maybe next time. Okay, so today we have seen how to make an invitation politely, how to accept it nicely, and how to decline it politely without hurting their feelings. Let's meet with another session. Take care, bye.